The Web3 dream is alive and well. Unfortunately, it's been built on top of infrastructure that doesn't actually exist. But this concept of Web3 is about ownership, and ownership is about rights. It's a very important and crucial concept that we cannot go back on. We can't go back to this Web2 model where people are being farmed out for information and data. That data is then sold back to them without them actually benefiting. There's these stats of like average artists make on Facebook, on Instagram versus like OpenSea or in the blockchain. And it's like 0.001 per asset versus 170,000. And there's also a reason why billions and billions and billions of dollars are being poured into Web3. It's not because it's a fad. It's not because it's digital collectibles. There are still people selling digital collectibles to people and making money and using Web3 as a distribution channel for content. And my request is that people demand more than just content, demand property rights. There's something very, very powerful. Say what you want about capitalism, but that is where that's where the strength of the American economy has come from. It's giving people property and them having the ability to exercise their property rights to derive more and more value, which raises all boats. A rising tide raises all boats. Alex loves to say it. So the Web3 dream is alive and well, but we need to demand that we want more than just collectibles, that we want more than terms and conditions that change subjectively based on the will of the creator. There's something really powerful afoot, and we're just on the precipice.